guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So today I finally went and collected my gift from my best friend. She sent it through Pep by Pixie, and I'm excited to open this. Like, y'all have no idea. So I'm so excited. So my best friend stays in Cape Town, and my other best friend also stays in Cape Town. So my birthday was last week Sunday, but obviously I was in Johannesburg. But nonetheless, I didn't actually trust them when they said they were gonna actually send me something via Pepsi. So I'm excited. Like, I received this gift, I received an SMS on Monday to come collect it, but it's been raining a lot in Joburg. So nonetheless, I'm finally opening this. I'm so excited. So I want to see what they actually bought me. So we're going to just open this and see. Wow. It is wrapped, guys. Okay, there's pretty much nothing in there. I'm actually keep it here. Oh, so excited. Like, I even want to take a picture. Like, I don't think you understand. Okay, I got a picture. So, I wonder what's in here. I'm dying to find out actually. So, people normally rip these, but I'm actually not. So, but I'm gonna open it as fast as I can. I should actually just rip this thing like seriously. I don't understand. So while I'm opening this, I turned 23. I actually received a lot of gifts this year. Not that it's not like I didn't expect to receive a lot of gifts, but you know, sometimes I'm just excited to open this. Like, sorry guys, I get distracted, but I'm so excited. So I wonder what's in here. The box. I don't really have a knife. You know, every YouTuber I've seen them when they open like things, packages and stuff like that, they always have a knife with them. But for some reason, I don't really have a knife. So, okay, this side is, you can open it. So, let's see. It's actually even harder to open this. Nah, I found it. Look like it. Okay. Cool. So, it's a box. Let's see something. It's a frame. I don't know what the frame is for. And yeah, that's very strange. Okay, we will figure it out just now. Maybe I'll put like my best friend's photo in here, because I have like a lot of pictures of my best friend in my house. People think it's weird. I'm always wanted a clock. I'm always like, guys, now I don't even have to use my phone anymore because I have a watch. Like, honestly, I've been dying to get a watch. Like, seriously. So there's 2 birthday cards. Like, yo, that's like excitement. Like, I'm not very fussy with gifts. I actually like birthday cards more than an actual gift, because I feel like people spend time and energy writing this. So that's why I'm always like, I prefer cards, because in my house I have like a shelf that's just full of cards. I'm gonna read this just now. Them shades, darling. Yes, wait, nah. Like, why do I need to know how much you spent on a gift for me? Like, seriously. But nonetheless, they're actually cute, to be honest. I'm not sure what you guys think. Please let me know in the comments below, like, what you think about shoes. I actually want to take it out properly so you can see. Yes, sis, guys. Next time I do an unboxing, I'm definitely gonna. I actually want to buy a YouTube specific like knife. Gosh, guys, I'm a jumpsuit. Like, I don't think you'll. I think a lot of people have noticed that I'm obsessed with jumpsuits, and like, this is like the 4th one I got for my birthday. This is actually very different. It's plain. I love shorts. I would definitely rock this. You know, my best friend knows I'm not a fan of yellow, but lately I've been actually wearing yellow. What is this? This is like a dress, t-shirt. Guys, I have no boobs, please understand. I don't know, I think it's a dress. This is so cute, I'm not gonna lie. Girl, I hope you love, like, are you serious? Like, are you serious? Like, I'm obsessed with this. Definitely keeping this birthday card. At least finally you decided to send me a birthday card. Happy birthday. I don't think you guys understand the queen is born. I am finally 23, bitches. I love this card, it's so cute. Happy birthday to you. I love it. My favorite human from Cindy. Miguel. We don't drink, so happy birthday. Thank you. So now let me read. Happy birthday, sweetie. Wishing you nothing but the very best. And I would actually put this frame out. What I'll put in the frame is when I'm done studying for my air hosting, I would definitely put the frame in. So where is my phone? I'm gonna call my friend. So that's I would definitely do. So I was a bit confused with the diploma thing because I'm scared of going to school. Like anything with a paper and a pen scares the shit out of me. But honestly, like I'm really happy with this. I'm not gonna lie. Like I wasn't like, you know, disappointed in anything. And like my best friend, guys, this is like the first gift that, well, it's not the first gift. It's actually the first gift she actually thought that I would not buy. That I would not actually tell her to buy. Girl! I love them gifts. Like, can we take a moment of the clock? You know, I've been telling myself that I'm going to go buy a clock for my house because every time I feel like I don't want to carry my phone to work, I'm like, at least can have it. But even I don't even understand sometimes. Okay, I think I would figure it out. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, we get it.
I actually thought about that when I was like, shit, do I need to get like nappers? But the nappers don't look nice.
Exactly. And then the frame, Miguel. You could have took.
For your diploma.
Which diploma? Like, I was so confused. I'm reading the card. I'm like,
like, dude, you said you're gonna go to flight school, so
I knew it.
See, I'm holding you to that.
I just.
So that frame is for your freaking diploma when you're done. So you have no way of backing out.
Thank you so much. I knew this was because I was so confused. I'm busy like saying.
You cannot back out. You were like, this nigga. You're like so undecided. Like today you want to go to flight school, tomorrow you want to go cruise, tomorrow you want to go buses. I'm like, dude, just go to freaking flight school.
Yeah. But nonetheless, thank you so much. Like honestly, I did enjoy it. Like I'm really actually happy.
That's for flight school, so you can put that.
I'm really happy about it. It's like I'm like, yo, this is like the best way. Like I didn't even think of this. Them shades, Kel, I don't know if I'm gonna fit the dress, right? But I'm suiting I tanda them shades, very different. Carol, Carol could have at least wrote a bit more in this card. Yes, guys, with her handwriting. I'm great. Like, I want her to see this on video. You're so stingy. Like you don't understand. Like, why? She's like, happy birthday, Queen. Love, Carol. Okay, I haven't seen you for a year. Can you at least write a live update here? This girl.
You must call her and tell her that those words were not enough.
I'm definitely gonna call and tell her that for sure. Thank you so much.
Jesus Christ.
I love the
that
gift.
dress, actually, that yellow dress.
Yeah, I was just saying just now, I was like, person that will pick yellow is the person that knows I'm not a fan of yellow, but nonetheless, I do rock actually yellow for some reason.
Exactly.
I'm like,
I was like, I love it. You will love it.
and she's busy like, she's like, I'm not sure if you're gonna like the gift. I'm like, girl, can I take a moment and be with myself and open it myself? I will phone you and tell you,
I know, and I was like, I know he hates yellow, but it's summer. I mean, and he's been all pro summer, so like I'm picturing when he's in Durban at the beach, whatever, and then you just on a lazy day, lazy morning, you just put on the dress, all fun, and it'll definitely look good on pictures, definitely good for the gram. So.
Exactly. Anything for the gram. Things we do for the gram.
You'll definitely love it. And so, what was the funniest part is when we were shopping for that, I kept on saying he will definitely love it, and the consultants were like, huh? I'm like, hey, man, no time to explain. He, she, whatever. The queen feels like on the Yo, Ed will tell you, bruh. And then we wanted to take pictures of this because she was not where I was. She was at work, and I'm like, I'm taking pictures, and the shop would not allow me to take pictures. So I had to freaking describe the dress on there. It was a nice thing.
Shame. Definitely gonna frame these up. But she did write on the thing, she's like, I hope you enjoy the dress and the glasses. You get your summer on. Like, does this girl not know I live for summer? Like, winter is... Like, I'm hot girl summer. Like, Nicki Minaj released a song for hot girl summer.
I know. Like, seriously, I'm gonna get myself that dress as well.
Okay, get it, we'll be twins. Nonetheless, I'm still doing my video. I just wanted to say thank you. Like, this is something out of the box. I felt like you guys took time. You were patient with it. The watch really took me like, yes, something I need. I've been telling myself I need to get it. You know when you tell yourself that you need to get something and you just like, I will get it eventually. I'm like, yes, my birthday should come every time because like this year really, like, there's a lot of things that are in my mind and I'm like, I need to get it. Certificate!
I know, because you've been sending pictures of your house and I'm like, I see this wall, this wall has everything, but it does not have a watch. Like,
you don't understand. And every morning, and I'm like, just in case my phone dies one day, I don't want to be like, gosh, what's the time? I must look outside the weather and be like, oh, it's sunny outside, I must run, it's 8 o'clock. Definitely, this is very important to me. Now, we have a challenge. I need to get this a-hosting thing. Cause
you need to get that.
I need to get it. Like, that's the only way.
I actually wrote a date on there, like due date.
No. Can you give me at least 2 years, 1.5 year? Like, seriously. Yes, like.
No, but I'm glad you like it, Richard.
No, I really do. Like, this was something that was thought and honestly taken time. Like, it wasn't, when you get gifts, people just give you gifts for the sake of just giving you gifts. This was really well thought. Everything besides Carol and then sharing pens here that she didn't want to write anything. I'm still on that.
Don't worry. You must call her. You must tell her. She must write more. Maybe she must email you more.
And the glasses, I knew it was her. I'm like, darling.
They are so cute.
I'm like,
I also got them. I'm like, this is so you. Like,
I'm like, were you buying this for me or were you buying this for you? But nonetheless, they are working on me. Like, I haven't even seen myself. I should actually even take a selfie.
Oh my god, and my phone is dead. There's no shitting.
I know. Yo, I actually like them. Like, the way it feels, like, It's something different. It's like something I know I would wear for summer if I'm going out for drinks. And
just enjoy them.
Yeah, but nonetheless.
We know you're only gonna rock it once, so it's fine.
No, I'm actually gonna rock them more than once. Like I think a lot of like when I'm going, obviously I'm going on the cruise ship next year, so I'll definitely rock these there. And then after that, I don't know what's gonna happen to them. But nonetheless, I'm gonna rock them for that.
Such a bitch.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. I need to post and brag, take pictures, do all a lot. I'm still recording here, so thank you so much. I love them.
Wow, you should actually direct more YouTube videos so you can be proper and say thank you properly.
I know, like I got home, I started taking off my clothes. I'm like, I need to do this video. I don't understand. I'm like outside. I put a bucket on top of a bucket just for my camera. Yes, guys, things you have to do for YouTube. And it's sunny outside. I'm like, I better do it because my lighting inside the house, like I still need to, I'm still working. You know when you're a YouTuber, you're slowly working on it. And I have a camera, of course, so who knows. I'm using the camera. And imagine I'm doing this whole thing and it's not even recording. I'm like, imagine I'm using this thing and it's not even recording. I will literally die. I will like pretend. I would fold it all over again. Do it again. I don't mind. Don't mind. Anyway, let me continue with my video. Cool. Bye. Sought out my best friend. I was sending Carol. Let's. I'm not sure how much of the time I had. Let me quickly call her and thank her. Like honestly, this is something honestly, like I really Siri is talking. You know when you don't have airtime, the struggle is real. The struggle is real. I'm gonna run out of airtime very soon. If she can answer her phone. Yeah. Can you just answer your phone? Like you can see I'm trying to call you. People. I didn't have airtime anyway to call you, but nonetheless, thank you so much. I love the gifts. I love everything. Package 10 out of 10. Gifts 10 out of 10. Dress, jumpsuit, watch, everything. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like my video. Please like, subscribe. This, before I go, is my dream. I want to say next year 2020 is going to be the most scariest year for me because at some point in my life I really like, you know when you dream about something, even though it will take time. I'm 23 right now and obviously I am exposed to a lot of things, so I'm very happy. Thank you so much and please like, subscribe to my channel.